China's undersea data center powers sustainable AI revolution. Imagine a future where data centers don't just sit on land but dive into the depths of the sea. This is precisely what China is doing off the coast of Shanghai. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this innovative move signal a major shift in how we think about sustainable computing? And this is the part most people miss: the implications for marine life and cybersecurity. China has embarked on constructing an underwater AI data center to tackle the immense energy consumption and water usage associated with traditional data centers. This ambitious project, initiated in June, aims to leverage the vast, cool waters of the ocean to manage the heat generated by servers while drastically reducing the need for freshwater resources. As China races ahead in the AI domain, this venture represents a significant step towards greener technology solutions. Speaking to The Guardian and source material, Sabrina Nadila, an analyst at Ember, an energy-focused think tank, highlighted the potential impact of China's approach. She stated, China's bold initiative could set new standards for sustainable digital infrastructure and potentially reshape global norms in the tech sector. So, why do AI data centers get so hot? These colossal hubs process vast amounts of data and perform intricate calculations for businesses increasingly reliant on automation. Their continuous operation generates substantial heat, necessitating extensive cooling mechanisms. Typically, data centers consume about 40% of their energy just to circulate and chill water used for cooling purposes. This water often comes from underground sources, rivers, or recycled wastewater, adding to environmental concerns. Now, let's dive into how China's underwater data center will function. Located off Shanghai, this facility, developed by Hailanyun, will harness the power of an adjacent offshore wind farm to meet nearly 97% of its energy demands. In its initial phase, the center will house 198 server racks, capable of accommodating between 396 and 792 AI-enabled servers. It's projected to start operations in September and deliver enough computational power to train a model comparable to GPT 3.5, OpenAI's groundbreaking language model from 2022, in just one day. The cooling process is ingeniously simple yet effective. Seawater will be piped through radiators attached to the back of the server racks, absorbing the heat and dispersing it into the ocean. This method not only cools the servers efficiently but also minimizes the environmental footprint traditionally associated with data centers. However, environmental researchers raise valid concerns about the potential risks of underwater data centers. During marine heat waves, when ocean temperatures soar, the discharge of warmer, oxygen-depleted water from these facilities could jeopardize local marine ecosystems. A 2022 study highlighted this risk, noting that the warm effluent could create inhospitable conditions for marine life. Adding another layer of complexity, a 2024 study suggests that underwater data centers might be vulnerable to damage from sound waves produced by speaker systems, posing a threat to data security. These findings underscore the need for careful consideration of both ecological and cybersecurity aspects as we explore this innovative frontier. In conclusion, China's underwater data center project marks a significant leap in sustainable computing. While it promises substantial benefits in terms of energy efficiency and reduced water usage, it also raises important questions about environmental impact and data security. What do you think? Should we embrace this technology, or are there too many unanswered questions? Share your thoughts in the comments. China's underwater data center, a revolutionary step in AI infrastructure. China is embarking on an innovative venture by constructing an underwater data center, a strategic move aimed at significantly lowering cooling expenses. As the demand for computing power surges, particularly fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence, the need for effective cooling solutions has become increasingly critical. Cooling these massive facilities typically consumes vast quantities of water, a resource that is already under pressure due to competing needs from agriculture and human consumption, compounded by the unpredictable rainfall patterns brought about by climate change. The construction of this underwater facility, located approximately 6 miles off the coast of Shanghai, commenced in June, as reported by Scientific American. This ambitious project is expected to commence operations in September, following its initial proposal 2.5 years ago. Interestingly, Microsoft had previously initiated a similar underwater data center project a decade ago, but it has since been put on hold. Should the Shanghai underwater data center prove to be a success, the developers are poised to rapidly expand the project to a larger scale. This raises intriguing questions about the future of data centers and their environmental impact. Will this innovative approach set a new standard in the industry, or will it face challenges that could hinder its widespread adoption? What are your thoughts on the sustainability of such projects? Join the conversation and share your opinions.